up, everybody? It's Darian2reacts, and we're gonna be reacting to "Damn Nature You Scary" from Fail Army. So let's get it.
Ew.
And there goes the guy talking to the bird.
To the duck got that.
Oh my goodness! If this was me, oh my goodness, this was me. I can't. Yes. Fellas. Dude, get out of the water. Dude.
He sees it.
He sees it now. Watch this. Gonna kick it. Kick him. Super kick!
Howdy, here we go.
Oh my goodness. A snake around his neck. How did a snake get around your neck? I mean, how did a snake get around your leg? I'm saying. Don't touch the monkey. Oh my gosh. What does it see? Alright. Wait, what? Oh, snap. Oh my goodness. Close the door, close the door, close the door. My goodness. How did a snake get in? Oh my gosh. I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Gotta be careful here.
This dude better be, bruh. They better be careful when they fishing out here. Oh, it's just sitting there.
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
You think? Oh, there was an elephant in the party. Oh, snap.
Hey, when you're playing with lines, it's important to never show fear.
Never show fear? Fears? Is that a plat? What is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my, Nature likes the woman. Oh, fly in the pool. Watch this. Watch this.
Got like a big stick or something.
What'd he catch? Oh
That
my
is not
goodness.
a stick.
What does it be? Oh, there it is. Get back. He's like, you're coming with me. I'm gonna eat good tonight. Oh my goodness.
I'm going
Are
away.
you serious right now? I can never understand why people would just go so deep in the forest and see animals like this.
Promise, I'm not gonna bug you. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
you're going away now because you realize you found this thing. I think you kind of went in the territory. Hey, bye. Okay. Protection.
I'm walking down the trail, and Mom and two cubs. So I am continually to walk backwards.
Damn. Okay, so what's going on here? Ew. What is that? Get in this nigga's nose. I don't know.
Go away.
Bro, this cannot be me, bro. This cannot be, bro. This is never me. I would never, ever go into a dangerous animal's territory like this. Like, no. It wants to eat you. And you kind of stay in this territory.
You, dude.
You gotta record the video too, bro. This man did this for
Get
more
the
views. That is crazy, dog. Like, I can't. That cannot be me. But that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe for more reaction videos on the way. So, peace.